Namaste, Suprabhatam Sarvesham. Good morning to all. Today, in our nation, the unity is much required for all to build a powerful nation. One person or two persons cannot pull the giant chariot in the temples. To pull the big chariot, unity, association power is required. So, it is in the Sanskrit shloka. Sanghashakti Mantharena nasti param tarakam Rashtrabhakti Mantharena naiva siddhyati psitam Etadubhayayogataha siddhirasti nishtita Bharatasya bhagya chakra pantirevam unnata. This shloka emphasizes the importance of unity and patriotism in achieving success and prosperity of nation. Sanghashakti Mantharena. Sanghashakti means power of the unity. There is no better tool to accomplish a mission than the power of unity. Rashtrabhakti Mantharena. Rashtrabhakti means devotion towards the nation. Without devotion to the nation, no related desired goal can be achieved. Through the combination of both these, Sanghashakti and Rashtrabhakti, success is certain for all. Thus, the destiny of our country rises tall. So, let us all make our country more powerful through the power of unity, association power. The collective effort is more required to build a powerful nation. With this information, I will repeat once again the shloka. Sanghashakti Mantharena nasti param tarakam Rashtrabhakti Mantharena naiva siddhyati psitam Etadubhayayogatas siddhirasti nishtita Bharatasya bhagya chakra pantirevam unnata. धन्यवादः.